Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Happy Friday and happy Walgreens Friday. We have a freebie for the Maybelline lipstick. I know a lot of you love lipstick, and even if you're not really big into it, some of the lighter colors are just really adorable as well, even if you don't wear a ton of makeup. Okay, so right now there's been a beauty event going on for the better part of a month, and some stores will have like a little section with coupons and little freebies. So keep your eyes peeled for that, especially if you have a functioning beauty counter. They had a tube of mascara and the sample micellar waters. And then also this is there. And what is this? These are the beauty coupons found at your beauty counter. So you can ask an associate for it. And if not, I'm going to show you a close up of it so you can just scan it off your phone. I will let you know some stores will fully scan whatever off of your phone. Some employees might give you a very difficult time with it as well. I've had that happen once before, and it wasn't very pleasant. So just know and pick your battles. But that top one is $9 off of our transaction. So that's why that coupon is absolutely critical, valid from the 23rd to the 1st of November. Other ones, if you guys were like, hey, I really need to see it, stop the video whenever if you want to get a screenshot. We have a $3 off the Maybelline eye cosmetics, and then a $3 off in Essie nail polish, and then a $2 off the Garnier Skin Active product. And the last one is some sort of a $3 off the, it's some L'Oreal Paris Colorista, and there is the code. Back to our lipsticks, you're going to be looking for the ones that are $8.99 or $7.99, whatever you can track down. And this week it ends on the 25th, which is Saturday. It's buy one, get one 50% off. And I went with the cheapest ones, which were these lipsticks for $7.99. And I went for that color 373. It's like a I don't know, like a light brown, but it looks really nice. These are the digitals in the app that you're going to have to load. Includes a I think that's a 6 off of 3, the My Walgreens coupon, and then the manufacturer is a 6 off of 2. Now see the one at the very tippy top, that $2 one? Do not load it, and if you did load it, make sure you unclip it in your digital coupons folder. Very easy to do. You just go in your folder and then just press unclip. And this is the one that you're going to have to scan at the register, and it's a $3 off, and it's going to, you scan it once, and because you're going to be buying 3, it's going to apply 3 times, so that's going to be $9 off. So if your cashier will very nicely take a screenshot or scan it off of your phone, yeah, that's ideal. Hopefully you get somebody really nice in front of you today. So breaking down the math for this, 3 of these lipsticks on a buy one, get one 50% off at $7.99 is $19.97. You have a $6 manufacturer melting off, plus a $6 store digital also coming off. And that paper beauty counter coupon, either off your phone or if you could find one at the physical beauty counter, that's an additional $9 off. Because the math is a little bit different here, because you should be technically getting $1 of overage. Those store coupons will reduce to the cost, so you're just going to have to pay tax. I did do this deal yesterday and it worked perfectly, and you will not get overage for that extra buck. So if your lipstick is $8.99 a pop, I think you're going to get it also for free. But I went for the cheapest of the cheap and it worked for me. So I would definitely try and do this deal before the 25th. I know a lot of you aren't shy to say, hey, could you scan this off my phone? If you can't do that, just look for that coupon at the beauty counter as instructed. And hopefully they have a couple out, or maybe at the register they'll have one. Okay, and the final thing I just wanted to point out, the Purex, that's $1.99 this week. We have $1 back on IBOTTA. I can't track down those pods to save my life, but the liquid keeps resetting on my IBOTTA. I think this is my 3rd or 4th reset, so I'm getting this Purex for 99 cents, which is a crazy price. Like, this is couponing back in 2016. So you might want to check your IBOTTA app. Is it there? Possibly try out the Maybelline lipstick deal and then throw this in too. Why not? And this is a limit of up to 2. So how wonderful is that? That's it for this video, guys. Have a great Friday, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.